Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been thinking about upgrading your oral care routine, then today's review might be exactly what you've been waiting for. We're talking about the Oral-B iO Simple Clean Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush in Night Black, which promises a high-tech upgrade to your brushing habits. With features like an automatic pressure sensor, 3 cleaning modes, and a timer to ensure you're brushing just the right amount of time, let's dive in and see if this toothbrush really lives up to the hype. The Oral-B iO Simple Clean Toothbrush is designed to give you a clean that's beyond what a regular manual brush can achieve. According to Oral-B, it removes up to 100% more plaque than manual brushing, which is a bold claim that certainly catches your attention. The brush features their most advanced technology to date, offering gentle care with maximum plaque removal. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. Right off the bat, it's incredibly easy to get started with this brush. The one-touch button makes switching to electric brushing smooth and intuitive. Plus, the brush is surprisingly quiet, which is a nice surprise, considering some electric toothbrushes can sound like a jet engine. The design is sleek, with a soft touch feel, making it easy to grip and handle while brushing. It also comes with a travel case, which is great for those who need a compact, travel-friendly option. During use, the automatic pressure sensor was a game changer. It's really nice not having to worry about brushing too hard and damaging your gums. If you press too hard, the sensor will alert you by turning red, and the brush will slow down its speed to protect your gums. This is an excellent feature for anyone prone to brushing aggressively. As for the 3 cleaning modes, super sensitive, gentle, and daily clean, they're easy to switch between, and each one offers a distinct level of care. The super sensitive mode is perfect for those with sensitive gums, while the daily clean setting works well for a regular thorough brush. The gentle mode gives just enough pressure for those who prefer a softer touch. It's really about customizing your experience based on your own oral care needs, which is a huge bonus. Another standout feature is the 2-minute timer. We've all been guilty of brushing for less time than recommended, but this toothbrush helps you stay on track. It buzzes every 30 seconds to remind you to switch quadrants in your mouth, and it signals at the 2-minute mark to let you know it's time to finish. This ensures that you're brushing for the dentist recommended amount of time, which is key for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. In terms of performance, the Oral-B iO delivers a really strong clean. It does live up to its claim of removing more plaque than manual brushing, and my teeth feel noticeably cleaner after each use. The long-lasting battery life is another win. You don't need to worry about charging it every day. When we talk about pros and cons, here's the breakdown. Pros: advanced technology that provides a gentle yet effective clean. Automatic pressure sensor to protect gums. Multiple cleaning modes to suit different preferences. 2-minute timer ensures you brush for the optimal time. Quiet and comfortable to use. Sleek, travel-friendly design with a case included. Cons: the brush head could be a bit larger for some users who prefer a wider coverage. The price point may be higher than some entry-level electric toothbrushes, though the advanced features justify it. In terms of value for money, it really depends on what you're looking for in a toothbrush. The iO Simple Clean is priced higher than basic electric toothbrushes, but when you factor in the advanced features, the pressure sensor, 3 cleaning modes, and the 2-minute timer, it provides solid value for its price. If you're someone who values oral care and wants to take it to the next level, the price is justified. Comparing it to similar products, this toothbrush stands out in terms of technology and the additional features it offers over basic models. Brands like Philips Sonicare also offer comparable products, but the Oral-B iO has more intuitive technology, especially the pressure sensor, which I think is a unique selling point. When it comes to build quality and longevity, the brush feels sturdy and well-made. The Night Black design is sleek and modern, and it holds up well even after several uses. The long battery life is also a plus. It'll last you a few days before needing a recharge. As for customer support, I haven't had any direct interactions with Oral-B, but the brand has a good reputation for handling inquiries and issues quickly. Plus, they provide easy-to-understand instructions with the product, which always helps. At this point, you might be wondering about alternatives. There are a few budget options out there, such as the Oral-B Pro 1000, which lacks some of the high-tech features, but still provides a decent clean at a lower price point. If you're looking for something more advanced but more affordable, the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 6100 might also be worth considering. So, is the Oral-B iO Simple Clean Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush worth the investment? In my opinion, absolutely. It offers a superior clean, protects your gums, and makes brushing feel like a more personalized experience. It's perfect for anyone who wants to take better care of their oral hygiene with the help of modern technology. If this review helped you, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other beauty lovers like you can find this video. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've already used this toothbrush, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Did it change the way you brush? Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.